guys? Today is Sunday and I am preparing for a productive week ahead. So I am ordering groceries for the week. They're actually on their way right now. I'm very excited. I don't know what it is about groceries being delivered, but it makes me feel very bougie. The simple joys, you guys. Anyways, today I have decided I'm going to tackle the fridge, which I'm terrified. We've gone through a minor depressive episode and it's scary in there. There's like a lot of expired goods and things we just gotta clean it out. So we're doing a deep clean today. I don't know if this is interesting to you guys, but I follow a lot of accounts on TikTok that are like those restock accounts. They're very aesthetic. They have like their cute little labels and everything's so pretty and organized. It probably will not be that satisfying in today's video, but we're gonna attempt. We're gonna give it a go. I did order a few things from Amazon that I'm very excited about. These little crafts, they are plastic. I don't trust myself with glass, plus they're lighter weight, so it's easier to pour. I got two of these, one for my oat milk and one for cold brew. Cute. I did also get this cute little like pop top container for creamer. I just think that's precious. And I like to make little videos making like my coffees and matchas in the morning, and I think that this will just make it a little cuter. I don't have like the fancy Etsy labels or anything that everybody else has. I haven't decided if it's worth getting those. I don't know. I did also get a few of these little containers. One of the accounts that I follow on TikTok, I will have to find her name for you guys, but she had these and they look so nice. So you like prep your produce for the week and it has like these little plastic things at the bottom where the water can like drip through and like drain. I don't know. So I got two of this little square size and then this larger one. So I'm excited. It also has like this little thing where you can open it up and it has like the little holes. So it can breathe, or you could close it, I don't know. So you're also getting a grocery haul today. I'm gonna show you what I bought for the week. We usually do Green Chef, which is a meal subscription plan. We really like them, but we didn't order. It starts to get expensive after a while, and a few of the recipes we just kind of like kept, and we're just going to recreate ourselves with our own ingredients. And yeah, that's kind of why I like doing those meal subscription services, because we're kind of boring with our meals. Like we're very like pasta, tacos, burgers, whatever, you know? We're not very creative. So when we do these like meal plan things, it teaches us new dishes, and then we just kind of carry those recipes over to our regular lives. So I do have a few recipes from last week that I want to recreate this week, including the taco salad from last week's vlog. So good, you guys, so easy. And a few other things that I'm really excited about. There was like a hash that was really delicious. It was like eggs, potatoes, all that jazz. Bomb. So anyways, grocery haul coming. But first, promise you won't think of me differently after seeing this hell of a fridge that I have. Dun dun dun! All right, here she is. It is so scary. There's like leftovers, empty containers. It's so unorganized. Expired fruits and vegetables. We gotta do a deep clean, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna just take everything out and so we can clean it and also see what we have going on in here.
Come here, like you just won the championship.
That's expired.
Come on, is it really?
Yes. And what is this? Half of the...
It was for the doggy. You took a pill. Come on, you just won the championship.
No.
All right.
It's old.
Yeah, there's no cat.
World's tiniest mayonnaise. A brand new start. You probably don't need this. like we did a good job cleaning out the fridge and organizing the stuff that we already had while also getting rid of a lot of that stuff. There's still like a bunch like on the counter that you guys can't see, but I'm gonna just start opening up the groceries that we did get so that we can actually organize, because I do have like some other organizers. I need to clean this one but I do have like a few of these little clear ones that I can organize the new stuff in as well. Bananas! I got a bunch of these little hummus packs. These are so good, really good for portion control as well. I love these. These are the red pepper, but they also have original. And then a few of these mini cinnamon roll things. I love cinnamon rolls. Got cilantro. Hugo's mad. He has the soap bean, but I love cilantro, and we're gonna make taco bowls this week. So broccoli, fresh garlic, yogurt covered pretzels. These are really good. Had a sale on the Justin's peanut butter cups. The dark chocolate is my favorite. I also got dark chocolate chips for pancakes and waffles. I just ordered this pumpkin shaped waffle maker and it's so cute, so I want to make some when that comes in this week. We need some more crushed red pepper. What else we got? Sour cream, Parmesan, snacks. These are Hugo's favorite chips. It's the baked Lay's, that's the HEB brand. And then I actually ordered the sour cream and onion Pringles. These little like snack packs. They're my favorite, but they were out, so I got the original. Gosh, Munster cheese. Literally my favorite ever. I got like a jalapeno pepper jack kind. And then Hugo got some turkey meat. This is lemon pepper. That sounds good. Oh, I threw it. HEB Aloha rolls. They're just Hawaiian rolls. Really good. These are good for little sandwiches for lunch. Like, okay, there's a fly in here. He's on the move. It smells like, I don't know, onions, but there's no onions over here.
I don't smell it.
Oh. We got...
Maybe it was my hand. Hands don't smell too good. I took out the trash.
Ew, wash your hands before you touch our food.
I will.
They gave me 1 lime. I asked for 4, but that's okay. We'll make do.
Maybe they ran out.
Avocados, baby potatoes for a little hash breakfast dinner situation. Got these yogurts for Hugo. They're the Chobani Flips, the Oreo one. I'm trying to make him eat breakfast in the morning because he doesn't eat enough. So, and he also really likes these Holy Guacamole minis. So I got some of those. Oh, so excited about this. So Chobani has a pumpkin spice creamer. Usually when I like make my coffee, I use the sweet cream one. This is like the best ever. It's so sweet, but I love really sweet coffee. So I'm really excited to try this out. And then I got some more oat milk. It's like a random array.
Assortment.
I started to feel like I'm falling away from you, stalling the pace with you. And you know if I knew a way I could stay with you, I'd change my tune. 'Cause I don't wanna call out across the room, call out to you 'cause who knows what you do. I don't know who we are, but we're not the me and you that we both once knew.
Alrighty, you guys, we've officially put away all of the new stuff and the old stuff, and here is the final review. Fridge tour time. So on the first door, we have cream cheeses and my cinnamon rolls. We also have minced garlic and the little Holy Guacamole minis over here. And then sauces, we have Caesar dressing, mayos, Chick-fil-A sauce. This is from Trader Joe's. It's like In-N-Out sauce, kind of. Really good. Some salsa, mayonnaise, grape jelly, sriracha, and also this is the best from Trader Joe's, the jalapeno sauce. Down here we have the big butter, sour cream, tzatziki sauce, and lemon tahini. We have the Chobani Flips. These are super good. Some salmon for the week. We also have the little hummus snacks. These are cool. I got these for Hugo. They're just crack an egg. And it's like these little protein scrambles. You just throw an egg in the microwave and it makes a nice little like scrambled dish for you. In here we have most of our vegetables, like various peppers, garlic, the one lime back there, and then lettuce. And then over here we have the little plastic carafes that I bought. So this is the Starbucks cold brew, the sweet cream creamer, and oat milk. And then in the little containers here I have the tomatoes and cilantro. In our veggies, broccoli, onions, and green onions. Over in the fruits, some avocados. And then down here is like the deli meats, our tortillas, cheeses. We have like random cheese packs from Green Chef that we didn't end up using. Feta cheese, Laughing Cow cheese, the deli meat and cheese, ground turkey. There's this chicken, sausage, and turkey bacon. And then over here is just kind of random. This didn't fit in the rest of the carafes, neither did like the rest of the creamer. But I think it's good to have because these have the dates on them. And then we got some banana cream pie pudding and these Orgain protein shakes. But that is it. That is our organized fridge. I'm so proud of it. I feel like it looks a little empty, but a lot of the foods that we have planned for the rest of the week and like that we normally eat are vegetable based. So like a lot of like beans and rice and corn and like all of those peppers in there. So I'm very excited. It feels good to have a fresh start, especially for the beginning of the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like these sorts of videos and if you want to see more in the future, and I will see you soon. Bye!